All right, we're going to show you the computer portion of downloading a software update for your 5006 sweeper. You're going to go to buchermunicipal.com. It's going to pull up this home page here. Once you get the home page pulled up, you're going to click on Products. Under Sweepers, you're going to click Software Updates. Once that loads up, you just want to scroll down. There's a 5006 section right here. And you see right here, CityCat 5006 update. You're going to download that file. Takes just a second. Once that download finishes, you're going to open. Now these files right here, you're going to copy to a folder that I've already created on the desktop here, but you can just make a folder on the desktop, copy all these files, drag them over into that folder. It's very important that these files stay in this exact order. It's important for your download. Once you do that, the next thing you need to do is take this folder you made and put it on a jump drive. Take the jump drive to the sweeper, and now we're going to show you what to do once you get into the sweeper.